So these days, to learn the DevOps course, that is not that much easy compared to previous years, guys. The reason is, in the earlier days, everyone talk about which one is the best non-coding job means. So everyone choose the first IT course that is nothing but DevOps. But the scenario is completely changed in the present situation. If you are learning a DevOps course, if you want to survive as a DevOps consultant or DevOps engineer in software industry, then you must have strong technical experience as well, such as you should be strong in to write any automation task using Python or shell script or bash script, and also you should be able to write commands using Kubernetes and Ansible playbook commands. Like this, many companies are expecting some scripting or technical knowledge from the candidates. So don't think DevOps is a purely non-coding job. You should be able to write scripting queries using shell scripting, Python or bash scripting. Are also able to write some Ansible coding as well, Kubernetes as well. DevOps is also required some coding knowledge or technical knowledge. Then only you can start your career as a DevOps consultant. In the earlier days, that scenario is different. Even if you have basic knowledge of any scripting or technical knowledge, it's going to work to get a job and to survive as well. But these days, to filter the candidate or due to high competition, DevOps is not that much easy as compared to earlier days. Right? So if you still have any doubts, IT career doubts, then you can visit this luckyhightower.com website, and you just choose the career guidance option and you can book a slot. Then I will clarify all your doubts over the phone. So if you want more useful information videos like this, then follow our By Lucky Sir YouTube channel, and also don't forget to share to your friends as well. So if you really love this information, hit the like button. So I will come back with one more useful content video. Till then, thank you very much. Bye bye.